Ready to warp your guitar playing into another dimension with the mind-bending sounds of progressive metal? First, let's tackle sweep picking. Start with a downstroke across multiple strings, aiming for a smooth, continuous motion, then practice slowly, focusing on clean articulation before gradually increasing speed. Next up is tapping. Fret a note with your fretting hand, then use a finger from your picking hand to hammer onto a higher fret, pull off, and repeat, experimenting with different combinations and rhythms. Now, let's get weird with odd time signatures. Instead of the standard 4 quarters, try writing or learning riffs in 7/8 or 5 quarters, counting the beats carefully to maintain the groove, and feeling the unusual pulse. Remember to listen to your favorite progressive metal bands, analyze their techniques, and incorporate them into your own playing, pushing the boundaries of your musical expression, and don't be afraid to experiment and find your own voice within this complex genre. Practice regularly, stay patient, and most importantly, have fun exploring the limitless possibilities of progressive metal guitar.